In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash Oops. Please check your internet connection and try again problem on Gcash app for fixing this problem. First of all, check that your internet connection is working. For checking this, open any app like YouTube. If internet is working, then follow this method. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Gcash. Click on Gcash. Click on force stop, then OK. Then storage and cache, clear cache. Now go to Play Store, search 111 VPN, click on it. Now click on install. Wait for completing the install process. Then open it. Then click on next. Click on accept. Click on install VPN profile. Okay. Not now. Now click on connect. Now open Gcash app. Now enter your number. Now I hope that this method fix. Oops, please check your internet connection and try again problem in Gcash. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.